forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover the following parts. Number 1, meaning of CSRF. Number 2, causes of CSRF error in Django. Number 3, solution of CSRF error in Django. Number 4, why Django implements CSRF token. We start with number 1, meaning of CSRF. It stands for Cross Site Request Forgery. It refers to an attempt to send a request from an external site while pretending to be from origin application. It is often used by attackers to execute malicious actions in the server. Thus is all about the meaning of CSRF. Number 2, CSRF causes in Django. So actually this is CSRF error in Django. As we can see here, CSRF verification failed, request aborted, forbidden 403 error. So what are the causes of this error in Django? So first let's try to do something. Let's type something here and submit a form. This is motechapp. What's happening when you submit form? Now we can see this is CSRF error in Django. It happens when you submit a form. So what are the causes of CSRF error in Django? By default, Django framework provides a way to configure CSRF token in the application. If the form does not have CSRF token, then Django simply throws HTTP error as 403, forbidden error, forbidden CSRF verification failed, request aborted. So this error occurs because there is missing CSRF token. That's the causes. So right now we have covered the causes of CSRF token. Number 3, solution of CSRF error in Django. How do we troubleshoot this problem? So let me go direct to the form. As you can see, this is HTML file returned in my homepage as soon as I run any application, and this is our form. We can see here. So what is missing here is CSRF token, right? So let me put CSRF token here to solve an error. So let's put something like this, then CSRF underscore token. I hope something like this. This is how to solve CSRF error in Django. So make sure you add this CSRF token in a form. So let me save here and refresh a page to see some changes. Okay, let me back. Let me refresh, and this is motechapp, right? This is motechapp app, right? So let me submit a form. Now we can see this is motechapp. The data is already submitted in a form. So that is all about solving CSRF CSRF error in Django. Make sure you add the CSRF token in a form. Number 4, why Django implements CSRF token. Actually, Django implements CSRF token because this token prevents CSRF attacks, right? So the great intention of Django to implement CSRF underscore token is to prevent CSRF attacks. So actually that is an end of this tutorial. Just to remind you of what we have covered from the beginning of our lecture so far. We started to learn the meaning of CSRF. Then we moved to causes of CSRF error in Django. Then we learned the solution of CSRF error in Django. Then we learned why Django implement CSRF token. Thanks for watching. This is an end of our tutorial. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. Goodbye. See you in the next video.
Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.